All right, we're working on the 1979 Plymouth Volare Custom, and we're putting together an engine for it. Trying to add some light. I just got a flashlight here. This is the VIN D engine, 225 cubic inch, but this is the one with the 2-barrel carburetor. I made one with a 1-barrel carburetor also. I don't know what the horsepower rating is on the 2, but it's probably pretty close. To being the same. But the big thing I got done today was I got the holes, the broken bolts removed. In fact, here's the top of one of them. That's how it came out. They were both like that. There they are. 7/16 14 national course is the bolt size, which I did tap them out, cut the threads in it, and then I got once that was done, I was able to install the intake and exhaust manifold. These are both together, intake and exhaust, on this engine. Chrysler made a lot of these engines. In fact, we have one over in the swather, but it's the industrial one. Looks exactly the same though. So we're getting closer to a new engine, and we'll be cleaning underneath the hood. Also, once we get that put together, I got a lot to do here. I want all that looking like brand new again. So that in itself is quite a chore. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.